I'm creating this as a quick guide when it comes to if you're trying to rock a low profile look with the Pyxis 6K from Blackmagic, and you're not trying to add a cage, what sort of accessories will fit the mounting holes that are currently on the Blackmagic Pyxis by default. So if I turn this on its top side, which is pretty much the equivalent to what the bottom side looks like, you know, which one of these size rods are going to fit in these hole spaces? That was one of the things that came to mind for me. So the first size here is a 50 millimeter NATO rail from small rig or whatnot, and as you can see, that's not going to fit at all in order for me to be able to screw in this to the holes. That's just not big enough to connect. I also looked into this 70 millimeter rod and thought it was pretty nice and would make for a good attachment since it has the mount for a 15 millimeter rod or whatnot, which would be nice. But as you can see, this one is also too small. So the only option that did work and was a fit for this rig from small rig was the 90 millimeter rod that allows me to nicely mount this NATO rail onto the cage of to the body of the Blackmagic Pyxis. So with that in place, I'll just tighten this up, and as you can see, that is locked in place, not going anywhere, and I could easily add my handle and I'd be good to go. So hope you enjoyed the tip. If you did, feel free to smash that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for future videos. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.